Have you ever wondered about the importance of wind farms and the challenges involved in maintaining them? Wind farms, with their towering turbines and spinning blades, have become an integral part of the global renewable energy landscape. They are our sentinels in the fight against climate change, providing us with clean and sustainable electricity generation. But much like any other machine, they require regular servicing and maintenance to ensure their smooth operation and optimal performance. One of the primary challenges in servicing wind farms is their often remote and offshore locations. These sites can be challenging to access, requiring specialized equipment and logistics. Imagine trying to transport personnel, tools, and spare parts to these remote areas. It can be time-consuming, expensive, and sometimes even treacherous, especially when adverse weather conditions and limited infrastructure come into play. But, as with any problem, solutions exist. Companies can establish well-equipped service bases near wind farms to reduce travel time and costs. Picture an offshore transfer vessel or a helicopter operation swooping in to deliver essential supplies and personnel, enhancing accessibility and ensuring efficient servicing. Another key strategy is investing in remote monitoring and diagnostic technologies. These can help identify potential issues before they escalate into major problems, minimizing the need for frequent on-site visits. It's all about being proactive rather than reactive, nipping problems in the bud before they have a chance to blossom. Despite all these solutions, servicing wind farms is not a walk in the park. It's a delicate dance of logistics, technology, and human skill. And these are just a few of the challenges. There are larger turbines to contend with, evolving technologies to master, costs to balance, and performance to optimize. While these solutions have potential, they are not the only challenges in maintaining wind farms. They are merely the tip of the iceberg, the first few steps in a journey that spans the heights of wind turbines and the depths of the ocean. A journey that holds the promise of a cleaner, greener future, if only we can rise to the challenge. As wind turbines grow in size and height, new challenges arise in their servicing. The modern era of wind energy sees turbines reaching skyward, stretching their blades to capture every possible gust. These towering structures, often taller than the Statue of Liberty, are engineering marvels designed to convert wind into electricity on a massive scale. But with their impressive size comes a host of servicing challenges. The increasing height of these turbines means technicians are working at dizzying heights, often in challenging weather conditions. This requires not only a head for heights, but also specialized safety training and equipment. Each ascent up these towering structures is a carefully orchestrated operation involving harnesses, safety lines, and meticulous planning. The sheer size of these turbines also presents logistical challenges. Imagine trying to replace a component the size of a bus, hanging hundreds of feet in the air. The blades, gearboxes, and other components are not just large, they're also complex, increasing the time and level of expertise needed for servicing. To tackle these challenges, training and certifying technicians to work at these extreme heights is crucial. It's not just about physical fitness, but also about understanding the complex systems that keep these turbines turning. Specialized lifting equipment, such as cranes and mobile platforms, can facilitate the servicing process, helping to hoist heavy components and tools high into the air. But even with this equipment, the scale of these turbines can make repairs and replacements a daunting task. The industry is also exploring the potential benefits of modular design and standardization. By building turbines from interchangeable parts, manufacturers can simplify the process of repairs and replacements. Standardized tools and procedures can make servicing more efficient, reducing downtime and helping to keep these giants of renewable energy spinning smoothly. Dealing with these giant structures is a challenge, but it's not insurmountable with the right strategies and equipment. As the wind energy sector continues to grow, so too will our ability to maintain and service these towering turbines. The rapid evolution of wind turbine technology brings its own set of servicing challenges. As the wind energy sector continues to innovate, We see turbines boasting increased efficiency, smarter control systems, and more sophisticated data analytics. While these advancements undeniably enhance the overall performance of wind farms, they also introduce new complexities into the servicing equation. Picture this. A technician, well versed in the workings of a traditional wind turbine, is suddenly faced with a state-of-the-art model brimming with advanced components and complex systems. The tools and techniques that were once second nature now seem obsolete, even counterproductive. This is the reality for many service providers in the wake of rapid technological progression. To keep pace with these advancements, technicians must constantly update their skills and knowledge. Specialized training becomes a necessity, not a luxury. It's not just about understanding the latest technology, but also mastering its application in a real-world context. This constant learning curve can be steep, but it's an integral part of servicing the wind turbines of the future. Moreover, integrating new components into existing wind farms can create a web of compatibility and interoperability issues. Imagine attempting to fit a square peg into a round hole. It's not going to work without some adjustment. The same principle applies when integrating advanced components into older systems. But there's a silver lining here. These challenges present an opportunity for collaboration between different stakeholders in the wind energy sector. Turbine manufacturers, service providers, and industry associations can all play a part in addressing these issues. Together, they can develop standardized training programs and certification requirements, ensuring technicians are equipped with the necessary skills to service modern turbine designs. They can also work towards creating adaptable components and systems, which can seamlessly integrate into existing wind farms. Staying in sync with technology is key to efficient servicing of modern wind farms. By embracing the challenges of technological advancements and evolving turbine designs, we can ensure that our wind farms continue to operate at peak performance, harnessing the power of the wind to fuel a cleaner, more sustainable future. Ensuring optimal performance of wind farms without escalating costs is a delicate balancing act. Regular maintenance and inspections are fundamental to this process. They help prevent failures and maximize turbine uptime. Yet, as vital as these procedures are, they come with their own set of challenges. The costs associated with routine maintenance, spare parts, and skilled personnel can significantly impact profits. Think about it. Every time a technician steps foot onto a wind farm, costs are incurred. They need specialized tools, safety gear, and often transportation to remote or offshore locations. And then there's the expense of the spare parts themselves. Large-scale components such as blades and gearboxes don't come cheap. Not to mention the downtime during maintenance or repairs results in lost power generation, which translates to lost revenue. But fear not, there are strategies to strike a balance between costs and performance. Efficient scheduling, for instance, can help maximize the value of each site visit. By grouping tasks together, technicians can accomplish more during each visit, reducing the number of trips needed and thereby travel costs. Next up is predictive maintenance. Thanks to advancements in data analytics and remote monitoring technologies, potential issues can be identified before they become major problems. This approach allows for targeted maintenance, which can minimize downtime and prevent costly failures. Then, there's inventory management. Having a well-managed inventory of spare parts can reduce delays in repairs, minimizing downtime. It can also prevent overstocking, which ties up capital that could be used elsewhere. In the end, the goal is to keep the turbine spinning as much as possible, generating clean, renewable energy. But this shouldn't come at the expense of excessive costs. It's a juggling act, no doubt. But with careful planning, the use of technology, and efficient processes, it's possible to maintain high performance while keeping costs in check. Striking the right balance between costs and performance is crucial for the sustainable operation of wind farms.